Hello people from YouTube, I'm George and welcome to Winslow Yachts, a new company in the yachting industry that's innovative and young. But today I'm not really here to talk about the company we just launched. I'm here to talk about a masterpiece, a beautiful yacht we got here in Port Osserie. This is the boat we got for sale here. It's a Ferretti Altura 46. I'm gonna show you well from another view. As I was telling you, we are in Port Osserie. It's 10 miles away from Paris, down to the south. And as you can see, we've been having temperatures below zero. Everything's frozen and it's freezing cold. And let me show you well from this point of view. We got this Ferretti Altura 46 for sale. And today I'm not here to talk about the company. I just wanted to show you the boat, to show you around, and you can see well everything. So please let me get to the boat. I'll get to show you everything. In the meantime, just telling you that I would love to make a new video about the company, what services we are gonna be offering, who we are, how the idea was born, and everything. I will make a video about it. Okay, this is the boat we got now for sale. It's a 15 meters long Ferretti Altura from the 1986. It's got a beam, it's 465 meters wide. And let me get to the boat. The boat is French registered, as we are in Paris. Alright, once in the boat, we had a dinghy here. Unfortunately, it was stolen, so it's not included anymore. Down below here we got the engines. I'm not going down because it's all slippery, but I think you can see them well. They are both twin engines, Caterpillar twin engines. They are 425 horsepower and they've been used for close to 2,500 hours. They've been lately checked out, so they are working well. You will see them rolling afterwards. So, all right. Now, this is the view from the outside part to the interior. That will be the living room. But first of all, I'm gonna be showing you the bow part, the exterior, so you can get an idea of how big the boat is. Okay, we got here the water tank and the fuel tank. The water tank, it's about, I think it was 1,000 liters, and the fuel tank is around 1,800. Now moving forward to the bow, we got the anchor, the cleats, and this is the view from the bow. Right, this is the master cabin. We got everything inside because now it's everything's frozen. As you can see, it's freezing cold out there. So we keep all the things from here and the Flybridge as well in the cabin room. We got pretty big Flybridge for about this length. And some space, which is cool. And a folding arch, which was changed for the previous one, because the previous was hard top and it couldn't get through bridges and tunnels here in France. So next step, the interior view. Living room. We got plenty of space down below here. Some storage. These are the life jackets. TV. Now we got here the tableau with all the electric system, the engine, steering wheel, the GPS, radar, everything. Automatic pilot as well. Down below here we got the kitchen. We got gas and electric as well, microwave, oven, party sink, 2 sinks, and down below here we got the crew cabin, also called the slaves room. It's a bit small but handy, so you can see, for some storage space or whatever you want, maybe a berth. Here is the bridge, the fridge. Down below here we got some space as well. As you can see, that's a tramp. Alright. We got a freezer. Quite small as well, but handy. Some storage as well for the glasses, beverages, whatever you want. Alright. This thing is absolutely stunning. You can open all this space when in summer. You can have whole open space to the stern, really authentic. I think it's really beautiful. You can place barbecue here. And moving forward, we got here the hallway, first cabin, first guest cabin, of course, 2 berths, a closet here, and it's got access to the master toilet, as you can see. Alright, we'll see it later. Now moving forward to we got the closet here as well, to save and keep some blankets or whatever you want as well. Second guest cabin. It's as well for 2 people, maybe 3 people. You got here the separation. You can remove this as well. You can make it. And first bathroom. This would be the guest bathroom, and we got the sink, the toilet, and bidet well. It's quite difficult to find a bathroom in a boat like this that from the 90s with a bidet. Some storage room here as well. Rainfall shower, as you can see. Right, just smoke this through all the bathrooms so you don't soak everything. And the master cabin. Quite spacious, as you can see. And it's plenty of storage space as well on the sides. Some drawers here down below. And we got a closet as well. Alright. All your shoes, everything you wanna keep inside. Direct access to the master bathroom. Which is not closed. Yes. Alright, so we were seeing plenty of space here, storage space, and here you have the toilet with a bidet as well. Some storage space. The rainfall shower, you can see, but this one is more luxurious. You would put this all to the side. You would take a shower here. What else? I think I don't forget anything. Here you have some storage space as well. Here as well, as I showed you before. And I think I don't forget anything. I'm gonna try to get to the Flybridge. Everything's frozen, you can see. And this would be the view from the Flybridge. Let me show you the steering wheel. This is a freezer as well, I think. Yeah, and now it's frozen. Yep, as you can see, this is the steering wheel up here, the engine's control, and everything. The mattress that goes here, it's down below. It's kept inside because it would be frozen otherwise, like the bow mattress as well. With some space here, social space where you can meet with all your friends or whatever you want. All right, so let me get down below again. Oh my god. These two trams as well, I forgot to tell you. These are also some storage space as well, and that would be, I think, almost everything. I told you about the dinghy that was stolen, and so guys, that's been everything. That's been my first yacht tour, and please let me get to the bow to say a proper goodbye to you all, you guys, and please be welcome to the channel. I want you to be part of it. And the asking price of this boat is 70,000 euros, the VAT is paid type of thing. So please be welcome to Winslow Yachts, okay?